autofocus is in the night mode as well, unlike the camera mode, so that's a good thing.
Yeah. When the autofocus in the night mode is a bit slow, right?
Not actually, the frame rate still looks very, very smooth down here. I think it's still running at a constant 30 frames.
No, what I mean is the normal. You're not taking it as a normal mode, right?
No, not the normal mode. The camera is in night shot mode right now.
Oh. So is it because of the 12 megapixel is slightly better?
No, it's not because of that. They've improved the sensor inside the Xperia S over here.
Oh.
So
this one is almost close to like a camera.
Yes and no.
No.
But all in all, it's not bad. For one thing, this
one, you can't compare to a dedicated digital camera.
You can't compare it to a dedicated digital camera, but this is better than what I can remember from my old Sanyo VP-CC G10, a camcorder that I used to own in the past. The Xperia S actually performs very, very admirably compared to it, and yeah, I think it does a better job than the camcorder as well. But then again, it's a cheap camcorder. I mean, I got it for like 150 USD when I was in the United States or something.
Now you're using what video?
Well, 1080p mode, just recording it from the Xperia S here. That's at 2 minutes.